Have you experienced a stubborn cough that just won't quit? Let's face it, we've all been there, especially after battling viruses like COVID and RSV for the past few years. It's important to be prepared to manage those tough symptoms that linger. But do you know what cough really is? Cough is a fascinating reflex that our bodies use to expel mucus, fluid, irritants, and unwanted invaders like bacteria and viruses. It's our body's way of clearing the airways. Cough is also a common and persistent symptom of chronic bronchitis. When it comes to managing coughs, there are some lifestyle strategies that help. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water keeps the airways moist and helps to thin out irritating mucus. Running a humidifier in your home can bring some much-needed moisture to dry indoor air. But sometimes we need extra help that goes beyond the basics. That's where Prospan by Helixia steps in with soothing relief. Prospan is the #1 pharmacist recommended natural cough medicine in Canada for good reason. It has been rigorously tested and proven to be safe and effective in relieving cough and chest congestion. It's a powerful, naturally sourced remedy made from a clinically studied form of ivy leaf extract called EA 575. Clinical studies show that Prospan's EA 575 works by loosening mucus and thinning secretions, enabling our bodies to effectively expel mucus buildup. This natural approach addresses both dry and wet coughs, making it a versatile solution for the entire family. So when you're searching for a scientifically proven solution to manage stubborn cough, consider Prospan by Helixia.